Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, there's going to be drinking. It's going to be smoking. It's going to be swearing. Yes, if you don't like those things, you have been warned. So look, don't complain, because here I come in 3. Look, 2. Oh, and look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. My name is Shamari Clark. Bang! Welcome. You're watching Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. And now you better strap yourselves in for this one. Look, fuck sticks. Look, brothers, we got to talk tonight. Yes. Now, these topics are going to be a little different than what we're used to. But I'm going to show you about some... All right. Let's look. Let's do this in an orderly manner, Shamari. Settle down, brother. Settle down. Yes. I'm excited to talk to you guys. Look, we're going to do this in an orderly fashion. Yes, in a gentlemanly manner. So first, we're going to talk about BTT, BitTorrent Token Speed Software. Bang, it came out. I know, it was yesterday, man. I was supposed to talk to you guys about it. And then I didn't save it. And then when I woke up, I forgot. And then it was halfway through the show and I remembered So look, we're doing it tonight. But now I'm going to tell you about some real shit, though. So these are some long-ass articles, too. So, I mean, you better take a piss, strap yourself in, roll that joint, because this is going to take a while. But I want you to learn about these boys right here. High-frequency trading, okay? Here come the high-frequency traders. Now, I told you about those boys, right? They got the algorithms, do arbitrage around the world in that. Well, here they come to crypto. Oh, here they fucking come to crypto. That's a lot of money. And I'm going to show you all about them. And when I say all about them. And that's what I mean. It's going to be like a half an hour of me just reading about those guys, okay? Probably. Yeesh. But because you got to learn about them. This is deep shit. Shamar is taking you into the deep depths now. Here it is. We're going to talk regulatory arbitrage and all sorts of stuff. Look. And then Coinbase is going to launch its own insurance company. Now, I know insurance isn't the sexy part of things in this crypto world, but tell you it's vital. Yeah, well, if I'm a hedge fund, yeah, I can't put $1 billion on your shit unless you have the insurance for it. Yeah, right? Like a hedge fund will put their money into Fidelity. Yeah, well, Fidelity's got insurance, probably up to fucking $5 trillion or whatever. I don't even know what. But yeah, you're not going to put your shit on Coinbase, right? Coinbase has custody. Why aren't the big players coming into Coinbase? I know, that's what you're asking. Told you guys. First of all, it's a shitty little crypto thingy, so they're not going to do that. But second of all, yeah, insurance is the next step. In other words, okay, if you want me to put your stuff on your little crypto crap, all right, well, you got to have me insured up to the amount I'm going to put on there, because obviously I can't lose my client's money. Anyway, we'll get there when we get there, brothers. Look, like I said, in a mannerly, let's do this in an orderly fashion. So look, let's start. Holy, I told you the whole story right there. Bang, let's just bang and get out of here. Oh, and the prices. Oh, shit, we're going to talk about this. Look, brothers. Oh, hey, hold on. Slaughter. Now, look. All right, so where are we at here? 11,538. All right, now let me do a refresh. 11,562. Okay. So, hey, that's why I told you guys. I hate those fucking 1,000-day ups. But look, this is normal behavior. Do not be afraid. Look, in fact, you better be jumping for joy, because everything is what? All my brothers know it. Bang! For you new people, let me tell you. It's all on sale, baby. It's all on sale right now. Look at the sales. 20% off EOS. 17% off Bitcoin Cash. 14% off Litecoin. Holy. These are all on sale, folks. So you better be jumping for joy and getting ready to buy all you can. So look, let's begin at the beginning. And I know what you're saying. Oh my gosh, look at these crashes. Oh my gosh. Look. BTDI, all right? Buy the dip, idiot. Buy the dip. Yeah, this is what's called a retrace. That's how markets move. Up, retrace. Up, retrace. Let me show you guys something. Fuck this. Let me just see if I can show you something. From my own charts, I'm going to go to Forex Factory, and I'm just going to see if I can show you what a trending market looks like. This is a naturally trending market. It just looks super violent because well, I'm not going to log in. Hold on. I'm just going to search myself. It looks super violent just because this is a super volatile asset. Okay? Watch. Let me show you what a trending market looks like. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, and by the way, so yeah, if you're new here, I'm a Forex trader. Yeah, you see my face? Yeah, I don't have a 9-to-5 job. My money makes me money. And so, well, I go make my money, make me money. I'm a Forex trader professional. And so, hold on, though. I'm going to show you guys some stuff. Like, I just want to show you guys. And so you can go to Forex Factory here. Just type my name in. There's my name right there. SHOMARI. Type that in. You can go to my profile right here. Every single thing I wrote on here. Every single thing I uploaded on here. It's all there. Dated and time-stamped, right? For you, okay? But for now, I just want to show you guys something. Images. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to try to show you what a trending market looks like. So you get it. Let's see. If I don't know if I have any here, but let me show you. So here's sort of an example, right? It's trending down. You see the retrace? Yeah, and I took my money out here. I took money in here. Bang, we go down to the next retrace. And then you take money here. Bang. But it's not a good example. Right? Like there's the retrace, right? Right? You see these blue lines? Those are Fibonacci retracements. Now, I know I don't have all the lines that are in your Fibonacci thing because professionals don't use all that other shit. They only use these three. But let me just try to show you a trending market. So there's trend, right? Bang, retrace, take your money, pay an entry right there. Bang, retrace, put your entry there. Bang. Let me show you again. Okay, so that's the trigger chart. Okay, that's not a good example. Fuck, I'm trying to show you like a big long retrace. Like, so here's the retrace, right? And I put my entry in there and then bang, you see all that red? Bang, we gobbled up all of it. How do you know that it's going to do that, Shamari? Wow, because I know how to trade, brother. So what I'm trying to show, all right, so this isn't going to work. Because actually I do trigger charts and setup charts. I don't do full trends. So I don't think there's a way for me to show you. Okay, so here's an example, right? Bang, here it comes. And then you see that retrace? You see the retrace. You see this bottom blue line there? That's the bottom of the move. All that's the retrace. And you see how I took my position there? Bang! And you see how it goes down? That's normal markets. And it happened here. So that was the euro against the Australian dollar. Bang, we got it. And then you see how it goes down. And then you see the retrace. See the retrace right here? Bang, and then we go down again, right? So, and that's what's happening. So those are for shorts, but that's what's happening in this market here. We're in a long. We're going long. So we're going up and then retrace down and then bang, we're going to shoot up again. That's how markets actually work. That's how that's how it works, okay? Yeah, you see right here? You see that? Bang, bang, bang. And then the retrace. Yeah, you see how I'm setting up to kill it? There's the breakout, the pullback. Let me see if I give you guys the trigger chart. I didn't give you the trigger chart on that one. But yeah, that's how it works, okay? So don't be afraid. Oh, here's a nice trend right here. So see how it goes? Bang, 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 bang. And then you buy here. Bang, 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 bang. Then you buy here. Bang, bang, bang. And you see I got in on this one. And then you see that's price target, red. The red one's price target. That's your Fibonacci expansion. Oh, here's a good one. Bang, retraced. Bang. Oops. Let's do that again. Went down, retraced. Bang, got in here, retraced. Bang, now I'm getting in right there. You keep riding these. You keep riding the retraces, okay? That is normal. That is normal, okay? Here it is again. Down. Holy, this fucking thing keeps putting these fucking things in. Down, retrace, down, retrace. And you can see I'm about to get in again. That's my third retrace I'm trading off that one trend, right? That's why the trend is your friend. If you're not trend trading, man, you're just guessing, buddy. So look, what I want to show you is, look, all you're seeing here, all this red right here, that's retracing. Yeah, these are retraces. So what I just show you, buy. Now you buy. Buy the dips, idiot. BTDI. Or some say BTDF. I choose to be a little more nice about it. BTDF, buy the dip, fucker. Which is really how it really goes. But I just do BTDI just to be polite, I guess, a little bit. So look, top 10 of the day, brothers. And look. Let me tell you something. Don't be afraid. Because you're like Noah. You're like fucking Noah. What do you know? What made Noah special? Noah from the ark, the Bible, the ark, the flood. Yes, you know who I'm talking about. If you don't, yeesh, I don't know what kind of family you were raised in. But look. Noah from the Bible. Yeah. What made Noah special? He knew an event that was going to occur, and he took action. He took action. While all those around him thought he was crazy, he took action. What did he do? He knew of a flood that was coming. A flood was coming. Yeah. Noah lived in Mesopotamia. You know what Mesopotamia is? That's modern-day Iran. Yeah, that's where Noah lived, in Iran. Yeah. And he's like, yo, guys, I got to build an ark. People are like, hey, Noah, man, what the hell, man? What are you doing, dog? Yeah, I'm building an ark. There's a flood coming. Iran's a desert. The people were like, Noah, man, you're crazy. You're crazy. That's what you're probably hearing right now. People are probably laughing at you about this right now today. Look at your stuff. It went down. You tell them go fuck themselves. Yeah, that's just a simple retrace, bitch. That just means I buy more, bitch. Look. Because I'm not an idiot. BTDI. Look. What happened? Oh, Noah heard what we call around these parts a lot of yap. You heard it from the brothers. Noah, man, you still in that shit, dog? Look at it. Just went down today. Yeah, it went down today. Yeah, but my Bitcoin's up 300% right now, fuck stick. Yes. My Bitcoin's up over 300%. Yeah, one blood red day. It means it's a sale, loser. Sweetie. Actually, your wife's probably not complaining now. She sees the money already. She's not like your homies. So look, that's how it goes down. You just keep building that ark. That's your job. Your job now is to just keep building the ark. Don't be afraid about these little blood red days. Yo, we're going to have blood red days. We're going to have blood red weeks. Yeah, they're called retracements. There is a whole tool, well, the tool you're supposed to use in all of trading. It's called the Fibonacci retracement. Google the word Fibonacci and learn about just what it is. It's like this magical, I don't know, thing that happens in nature. Well, it also happens in the markets. Yes. And it just happens in life. And so that's why we have a thing called the Fibonacci retracement. Just the vanilla one. Don't use any of those specialized Fibonacci retracements. Those are bullshit. Just use the regular old Fibonacci retracement, plain vanilla. Oh, yeah. You're going to make all manner of money, folk. All manner. That's how powerful it is. In other words, a retracement is normal. That's normal market behavior. Just going up and up and up and up and up, that's not normal. All right. So that's enough for that, man. And so don't be afraid. We're doing normal stuff. Buy these dips, idiots, and bang. Yes, make that money. So, oh, man, that was long-winded, but I felt I needed to get it through because we got a lot of new people here now. Let me bang out a few new people. What we got? We got a few new ones. You know, I know you guys that were here from last year. You guys get it. You understand. But look, new subscriber, Daniel. Bang. See you, brother. DC, Funhouse. Bang. Impatient Potato. Bang. Well, you better get some patience on you, boy. Look, this ain't happening tomorrow. Who else we got? Gary Char. Bang. Alfred Severe. Bang. That's how it goes around here, brothers. Gotta buy those dips, brothers. Buy those dips. Any more? Good enough. Bang. All right. Good enough. Good enough. All right, now let's get to work. Fuck. Talking about all this shit, basic crap. Look. Top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects of the day, brothers. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Binance Coin, Tether, Bitcoin SV, and bang, Tron. Yes, all on sale. Holy, look at these. Look. Oh, man, I'm going to go on a shopping spree tonight. Watch what I show you. I'm going to, hold on. Fuck. Look. Market moves of the day, brothers. Double digits down. Bang, everything's on sale. Double digits down, brothers. Yeah. That's how we like it. Until the tsunami comes, you just keep giving me buying opportunities. You just keep giving me buying opportunities until that tsunami arrives. Yes, I'll take them all. Bang! Double digits down, brothers. Yes, indeed. Double motherfucking digits. Bang, bang. Down. Everything's on sale. Let's take a look at the top 10 losers of the day. Wow. It's going to be on sale. And you better buy this shit because you're not going to. Man, this is a juicy retrace. I don't think we're going to see another one like this. I mean, I could be wrong. Maybe we could see it again tomorrow. We'll see. Look. Bang. Top 10 losers of the day, brothers. Oh, juicy. Who's we got here? Oh, there's some names in here. All right. Look. Top 10 losers of the day. Qtum, EOS, Solve, Ontology, Golem, Omisco, GX Chain, Bytem, BitShares, and Elf. Let's just look at some other a little bit though. Oh yeah, everyone's nice. Everyone is nice. Oh, you better load up, buddy. If whoever you are, you better load up. Load up. Top 10 winners of the day. Bang. Bezant, Crypto.com Chain, Insight Chain, Egretia, Aurora, Maximize Coin, Clipper Coin, USD Coin, True USD, and Paxos Standard. Bang. All right. Oh, late. Yes. Oh. Oh, did we do the Bitcoin thing yet? Shit, we didn't do that. My bad. So, all right then. Look, I got so excited. I want to make sure you don't get afraid if you're new. You know, you new people don't get it. My old crew, they understand. Look, 11,559. You new people might get a little afraid. Yeah, don't worry about it. Look. Things aren't happening to you. They're happening for you. Holy, we went down 1,330 and $21. Yes, quite the plunge. That's just boys taking profits. You know what I mean? They saw their big gains and they're like, yuck, look, I'm just taking some money out, right? Making money. No problem, brothers. And it's a volatile market. So, look, $1,000 a day, or what did we just say? What was that? 1,300 on a Bitcoin. All right, that's normal Bitcoin movement. That's nothing. If it's like 3,000, yeesh. Well, now we're getting afraid. That's worrisome. $1,000 a day and fuck all. 1,300 a day and fuck all. All right, so look the total market cap today, brothers. Yes. What we got? 314.8. Whoops. 314.8. What do we have yesterday? Holy, what a slaughter. 353, so we went down 39 billion. Yeesh, that's a tank. Look. What we got on volume? 104 billion. Oh, okay, I understand now. All right, 104.3. I see what happened. Exactly what I just said. Profit taking. Yesterday was 83.3. Today's 104.3. In other words, a lot of boys came in who had bought their stuff earlier last week, and now they came in to bang, 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 cash out. Cash out, that's how they did it. And that's all that is. That's normal, like I told you. I tried to show you guys, man. Fuck, I tried to show you my trades there. Right? Like, that's how prices move. It goes up and then retraces. Yeah, the smart money, me, and, the boys, yeah, we get in here. When you hear the terms buy low, sell high, do you understand what that means? Of course you don't. You're probably wondering, well, when do you know it's low? When do you know it's high? What they're talking about is the retrace on a trending market. So when we're going up in an uptrend, this is how it looks. Okay? That's an uptrend. And so buying low is buying low on the bottom of the retrace. You buy low, and then the retrace goes. And then the trend continues, and then you retrace again. So the trend continues, and then price targets are up here. Bang, you sell. And then it retraces again. Once it gets here again, that's when we buy again. That's buying low. We buy low on the retrace. That's what they mean. When they say buy low, sell high on the retrace, they just never say that part of it because, they're not going to give away their secret sauce. Well, luckily for you, I'm a 19-year investor, and I'm going to tell you all the secret sauce there is to tell you. And that's what the trick is. They never tell you that. Well, when is it high? When is it low? That's when. Here's the retrace. Here's the uptrend. Here's the retrace coming. That's the low. Now you buy. Bang. And you go to the next. Bang. And then you go to the next. That's buying low. And when they say sell high, It's it's the opposite way. I'm a short seller. You saw the trades I just showed you. I sell short all the time. So when they say sell, buy low, sell high, that means the market is trending down, and now we get a retrace. That's the high. That retrace is the high. And so when they say sell high, bang, I put my entry down here, and then as it goes through, bang, you catch the next move. Did you see my charts, right? How do you know those are going to be like that, Shamari? Because that's how it works. That's what buy low, sell high means. Buy low, sell high off the retrace of a trending market. Okay, you just got the knowledge. But if you don't get that, well, you're going to keep just fucking around. Okay, you got to learn how to trend trade, swing trade trending pairs. That's the buy low, the sell high off the retrace. They just don't tell you that retrace part. Okay? Yeah, when a chart looks like all like this, it's just wiggling sideways. Well, which is low and which is high? Yeah, you don't know. Of course, nobody trades that. That's an immature, it's not ready to be traded yet. When it's trending, yeah, that's the bang, sell high, sell high, sell high off the retrace. Right? And then what do they say? Buy low. Okay. That's the low of the retrace. Buy low. That's the low. Buy off the retrace. Buy low. Buy. 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 Buy the dip, idiot. Okay. All right, guys. I really want you to get that because I know it's blood red today. And, plus, might get scared. All right, but let's get into some stories. Bang. Holy. Teaching you all about trading. Look. Well, just market movements. Look, BitTorrent, Tron launch crypto-powered speed downloading software. Oh, yes. Oh, and I know. Poppy Wood's happy as a motherfucker. He said he had 17 terabytes worth of shit to put on this BitTorrent thing. I bought that little shitty one. I bought like a little 1 terabyte thing to do this. Yeah, so now I see the level I have to get to. Yeah, so obviously I underestimated the competition. Nah, there's no competition. We're all in this for the love. Look. Well, for the straight cash, homie, but you know what I mean. All right. Peer-to-peer torrent client BitTorrent has launched its downloads optimization software, BitTorrent Speed, with native token functionality. The news was revealed in an official press release published on July 8th. As reported, BitTorrent launched a native Tron blockchain-based token, BitTorrent BTT, at the start of this year, having revealed plans to evolve a tokenized content platform that would enable users to optimize their network speed and attain faster downloads. As per the press release, the BitTorrent Speed software will now be integrated into all new downloads of the company's uTorrent Classic Windows client. And so I was looking at Poppywood shit the other day or yesterday, and Poppywood, he's a Tron lover, so he knows. And he said you got to download the new client. So if you're into this and you want to do it, you got to get that new client, which is now has the thing in it, right? Where is that? Which is now integrated into all the new downloads, okay? So you got to get it now. You might have uTorrent or whatever. Yeah, that's not going to work. You got to get the new one. Bang. And now it's going to give you the stuff. You're going to get it paid. Oh, yeah, you're going to get paid to seed. Here we go. The BitTorrent Speed website reveals that users will be rewarded in exchange for seeding and bandwidth. Exactly. Yo, man, if you got a couple old computers just sitting around your house, like everybody nowadays, right? Just throw some shit on there and just have it seeding and just bang, collect your BTTs. So that's what I did. I got a computer over there. Like I just said, though, I got to up my game, though. I need I need some more terabytes, I see. But just seed that. Leave it sitting there just for years. Fuck, just collecting money for you. So the BitTorrent Speed website reveals that users will be rewarded. You will be rewarded with BTT in exchange for seeding and bandwidth, earning more tokens the longer they seed files, and attaining faster downloads the more BTT they're willing to spend. An integrated wallet has been launched to enable users to manage their token earnings. Oh, yes. You're going to make all that money. Your computer's just going to make you money. Just fucking download every episode of Friends and West Wing and what's that shit with the dragon lady? Fucking the big one everyone was talking about. Game of Thrones and shit. Yeah, just throw that shit on there, man. You're going to be making money. Yes. At the time of launch, the product remains limited to Windows systems only, with apparent plans to extend coverage in the future. Tron, which acquired BitTorrent in July 2018 for an undisclosed amount, has been working to integrate the two decentralized networks. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we already know that. So, the press release claims that BitTorrent's suite of products, including the BitTorrent and uTorrent clients, underpin the largest decentralized P2P network in the world, with a purported 100 million plus active users and installations across 1 billion devices, accounting for 22% of upstream and 3% of downstream traffic globally. Look. That's how it goes down. It's huge. Notwithstanding the launch of BitTorrent Speed, as a press time, all right, and that's the price of Tron. Fuck all that. We don't talk about price around here until the tsunami arrives. Well, I mean, I just talked about some stuff with you guys there, but that's different. Yes. Look, so Tron lovers, bang, Poppy lovers, bang, or not Poppy lovers, Poppywood, boom. Poppy, you should come out with your own coin and launch it on the network. Bang, he loves it so much. There you guys go, man. Yo, man, just grab yourself some old laptops, some old fucking desktops you got lying around the house. Just fucking load that shit with some garbage. Well, I mean, not garbage, but whatever, right? Some Tom Cruise movies, some fucking, some Samuel Jackson. Yes. Some Star Wars, some Star Trek. Yes. What's that thing I just said? Game of Thrones. West Wing. All those popular shows you guys like to watch. Yeah, just load it up. Yeah. And Justin Sun's going to pay you. Yes. You all work for Tron now. Yes. You all work for Tron now. I'm just kidding, guys. But seriously, go. I mean, I'm not kidding. I mean, I'm serious about it. I show you right now. Yeah. I showed you guys this last year. Yeah, this is the hard drive I have for it. Yeah, I'm going to load this bad boy up. I'm going to load it up with some movies. And, I'm going to do this. So, I suggest you do the same. I mean, what does it hurt? I got all these bunch of lame-ass, old-ass computers sitting here. Yeah, I'm going to make them work for me. Yeah, huh? Just sitting here collecting dust. Look, so, Tron lovers, bang, that's for you. Bang. All right, now we got to get into the money, though. All right, so this is something I want to teach you guys about. High-frequency traders. So, is the newest battleground in the crypto exchange race. Exactly. These are the big boys. These are the computerized boys. These boys aren't the boys like me. I'm a regular, I trade manually. I set my own entries. I exit my own trades. Bang, bang, bang. Nah, that's not what these guys do. They have computers that run algorithms. Oh, and there's computers just, they just trade. Some of them hundreds of thousands of trades a day. Hundreds of thousands a day? Yes. Yes, indeed, son. They arbitrage. They do all sorts of funky stuff that you and I can't do. Yes. And here they come to the crypto world. And so I thought it would be interesting just to show you these guys. They're called HFTs, high-frequency traders. Oh, yeah. Hundreds of thousands of trades a day. On pennies. But what it is they have so much money that, like say, I don't know, let's look at something. Let me show you something. So say something like, I don't know, whatever, man. Let's pick one. Like Ethereum, right? Ethereum is $272 right now over here and 85 cents over here. Just pretend it's here. Pretend this is an exchange. Yeah, well, on some other exchange, Ethereum might be $272.70. Yeah, so their computers, they go buy the cheaper Ethereum over there, instant, like in nanoseconds. I'm going to show you co-location and sell it over here for $285. Yeah, just those pennies. But they buy so many Ethereums, like, tens of thousands at once. Boom, it makes them a chunk of money in in nanoseconds. Boom. All right, I'll show you. Hold on, let me read it. All right, let's do this. I told you guys a little bit about this before, but I like to always read it to you guys just because, you read along with me. I believe that when I tell you guys something, it's one thing for you to hear me say something, but when you read along with me, it sinks into your brains. Look, I'm here to shape the brains. Look, let's go. Yeah, that's the master plan, isn't it? Making killer bees. All right. A handful of cryptocurrency exchanges are rolling out the red carpet for high-frequency traders. I want you guys to get these guys in your brain. Bang! High-frequency traders are coming. They're all in Connecticut, these boys. These boys hang out in Connecticut. They got hedge funds and everything. Oh, yeah. Huobi based in Singapore and ErisX in Chicago have separately begun offering co-location in which a client's server is placed in the same facility or cloud as the exchanges. Officials at each exchange told CoinDesk. So co-location is, I'll just tell you right now. So co-location is, so the NASDAQ, the New York Stock Exchange, right? Yeah, they have their servers actually in, some server farm. Yeah, well, in that server farm, there's more room. And when you're a high-frequency trader, you pay big money to have your server right beside a NASDAQ server. Sorry. I'm trading the NASDAQ. Yeah, I get my server right beside it. Yeah, in the same room as that server. It gives me nanoseconds of speed faster than the other guy. And I know you're probably thinking, nanoseconds, who cares? Yeah, with these big boys, that's how they play. They play in nanosecond trades. Like nanosecond. Yes, nanoseconds, not milliseconds. Milliseconds is too slow. Nanoseconds, brothers. All right. And that's what they're saying here. It's called co-location, in which the client server is placed in the same facility or cloud as the exchanges. The same facility. That's how they're doing it. So when I place a trade, yeah, well, my fucking computer's right beside yours. Whose trade gets done faster? Mine that's right beside yours, or the guy from Texas who's trying to trade in New York? I know it's only nanoseconds, but these guys are crazy. I'll show you. Yeah. So these exchanges. Oh wait. Oh, my bad. At each so in the same facility and cloud or exchanges, officials at each exchange told CoinDesk, this allows those investors to execute trades up to 100 times faster, giving them an edge over the rest of the market. 100 times. These guys are trading in nanoseconds. Nanoseconds. I know all about these guys. These exchanges joined Gemini, which was one of the first crypto firms to offer co-location. Yes, Gemini, they know. Yeah, Gemini, those are a bunch of billionaire kids, the Winklevoss kids. Yeah, it's probably their buddies' servers. All right, Johnny, I'll put your server by my server. That's how they're doing it. At a popular data center in New York area, and is about to expand the option to include a second site in Chicago. Notably, none of these exchanges... Whoops. Wait a second. All right. Notably, none of these exchanges charges for the service, seeing it as a way to differentiate themselves. It's our competitive advantage, said Andrei Grachev, head of Huobi Russia, the exchange's Moscow client office. Bang! So they're not... Oh, I see. So they're not even charging them. Yeah, like the NASDAQ and New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, you got to pay money to do that, fucker. Yeah, you got to pay big time to put your servers beside the NASDAQ servers. You crazy? Look! To be sure, such accommodations remain rare in crypto, which historically was dominated by individual traders and only recently began to draw interest from bang institutional investors as hedge funds and family offices. And that's why. Bang! Now the institutional investors and family offices are coming in. Now the boys are offering them the real products, right, that they need. But the exchange's moves are a sign that high-frequency trading, a long time and controversial practice in traditional financial markets, is slowly entering the crypto sphere. Oh, of course it's coming. And though bots have been present in crypto since the days of Mt. Gox, co-location takes algorithmic trading to a whole other level. Exactly. These bots, you can fuck all that. These guys are going to crush their bots. All those crypto nerds are going to get their bots crushed by these HFTs, high-frequency traders. Eric Wall, former crypto and block, and that's what's going to make our market move properly, because that's what the algorithms are set to. Yes. Eric Wall, former crypto and blockchain lead at Cinnober, financial technology company acquired by NASDAQ, told CoinDesk it's big business. Everyone I've been speaking to that runs an exchange mentioned being approached by Wall Street types with these kinds of requests. Of course, what'd I tell you? Yeah, the Wall Street boys are sniffing around. Oh, you going to give me this? Oh, you can give me that? Who are you working with? What are you dealing with? What are we trying to work with? Yes. Look, they're not going to let you just make all this money for nothing. Yes, that's why the tsunami's coming. They're sniffing around. Most crypto exchanges are not ready to satisfy this demand. All right, let's move on. No, fuck. All right, so we're not going to read this whole part right here, though. 800,000 trades a day. So let me show you what a high-frequency trader is about. In the 6 months since Huobi opened its Russia office, around 50 clients have taken advantage of its co-location service, putting the server by their server. By locating their servers in the same cloud and using the same domain name service, DNS, as the exchange, according to Grachev. So, the options allows these clients to make trades 70 to 100 times faster than other users. He said, one of our clients makes over 800,000 trades a day. That's the level I'm talking about. How did these guys make millions of dollars a day, Shamar? Are you for fucking real? Yes, fuckstick. Yeah. Their computers make 800,000 trades a day. Yeah, off that trade, off each individual trade, okay, maybe they only make $10, $20, $50. Yeah, but it's 800,000 of them. Yeah, so you just made 800,000 times 50, which gives you what? Yeah, it's $4 million you just made today. Yeah, the computer does it for you. As a human, you couldn't do it yourself, right? You're not fast enough, obviously. You can't do that. Yeah, but when you got the computers with the algorithms, that's how it goes, brothers. That's how it goes, and that's coming here to this market. Yes. Welcome to the real world, brothers. Yes, welcome to my world. Oh, they got high-frequency traders and forex like a motherfucker. But it's good because it actually, high-frequency traders do a service. Same with arbitragers. Because it makes price stable in that when they take a lower priced asset from another exchange and sell it on the other, it makes the price equal now. Do you see what I'm saying? It's weird, man. All right, I'm not going to get into that. It's too much. But you get what I'm saying, right? Like if I take a lower asset here, I don't know, Bitcoin, $10,000 over here, and it's $10,000 around the country, well, okay, let me settle that. But it's $10,300 other places. Well, when I start selling $10,000 Bitcoins, it equalizes the market to 10,000, right? Or, like to 10-1, 10-2 type thing, right? It's actually a good thing for everybody. All right. Fuck it. I can't explain that one. That one's a hard one to explain. I know what it is, but... So anyways, we're going to move on. Blah, blah, blah. So co-location, all right? Controversial practice. All of this invites the question of whether HFT, high-frequency traders, given its history on Wall Street, could exacerbate problems in the opaque and volatile crypto markets. That's the problem. Yeah, with not enough liquidity, these fuckers could do some damage. But I mean, it's not like they do stuff. Anyway, whatever. So, as depicted in Michael Lewis's book, Flash Boys, that's what they're called, flash traders, high-frequency traders. Algorithmic stock traders place their servers in the physical vicinity of exchanges to execute trades faster than other investors and make profits on arbitrage between markets in fractions of a second. And that's what I told you. What have I told you about, brothers? Look. Arbitrage. That's how they do their arbitrage. Of course, if you're just a guy, you're not going to get your arbitrage thing done. But when you have these mega computers, co-located, they look at the price difference between, a Microsoft stock. A Microsoft stock over here in America is $100. Over there in, on the FTSE, that's the French stock exchange, it's $105. Boom, their computer buys, bang, 10,000 Microsoft shares, sells it on the footsie real quick to make that discrepancy. It's called the spread. You know, they capture the spread. It's called capturing the spread, right? So the spread is, it's $100 over here in America. It's $105 over here in France. Yeah, so the spread is $5. Bang, I capture that spread. Bang, I just made fucking money. Yes. Look. All right, I'm teaching you guys some deep shit right now. Look. All right, actually, I thought I was going to read you more, but we're going to skip some of this. However, Eric Sex's Trudeau, who it should be noted as one of the early employees of stock exchange IEX, the heroes of Flash Boys, argued that high-frequency arbitrage and automated trading in general can benefit markets. It does benefit markets. Arbitragers benefit the markets. Yeah, it's a sneaky way to make money. But look, you make the prices more solid, right? I don't know how to say it properly. Yeah, you even the prices out so that, you know, $1,000 over here is $1,000 over there. So whenever it's $1,000 here but $1,005 there, yeah, now bang, now they're both 1,000. So you make the market price discovery proper. It helps us, everybody. It helps everybody. So they are helping to narrow the. Oh, there it is. They are helping to narrow the price spread between different exchanges over time and make markets more efficient. Exactly, more efficient, including the crypto market. Now, it sucks for them. That's true. By making the market more efficient, yeah, they fuck up the other arbitragers, right? If my algorithm, if my computer finds the arbitrage opportunity between the New York Stock Exchange and, say, the FTSE, well, I close that gap. Now the other arbitragers, they missed that one. You know, so whatever, that's arbitrager world. So the phenomena has occurred in other asset classes. As trading has become more electronic and more automated, market makers and arbitragers are able to trade more efficiently, which improves price formation, price discovery, and look, liquidity. So look, arbitrage opportunities may become fewer and more fleeting, like I told you. When the one guy arbitrages, well, now the rest of them can't because he's closed the price, right? So it kind of sucks for them, but it's good for us. Arbitrage opportunities may become fewer and more fleeting, which is a sign of a more efficient and maturing market. Exactly. The algorithms, it's going to take harder and harder to find those price discrepancies, right? Now, you know, a Bitcoin price over here might be, I don't know what. Where are we at? Bitcoin, let's see. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Let's look at Bitcoin over here for a real quick second. So Bitcoin's what? 11,500 right now. Here, so let's say, and then let's say on Coinbase. So let's say, I don't know, on Binance, 11,559. On Coinbase, it might be 11,600, right? But through arbitrage, it'll close that price down and give us true price discovery. All right. Oh, whoop. Ooh, we haven't even got there yet. All right. Let's get this done here. What the fuck's going on here? Look. Exactly. It's a maturing market. So, price discovery and liquidity. So, arbitrage opportunities may become fewer and more fleeting, which is a sign of a more efficient and maturing market. Exactly. Yeah, when the price of a Bitcoin on Bitfinex is $300 more than the price of Coinbase, that's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. But that's what these flash boys are coming in. I'll tell you right now, if I had the money, of course I would. The prices of a Bitcoin and Ethereum and all of this shit on each exchange, they are way different. They are way different. So you make a lot of money, man. Wow, one of the brothers wanted to build an arbitrage bot last year. Our brother Bob, yeah, he had a smart idea. So it's important, however, to check if the exchanges are high frequency traders, strikes deals, blah blah blah. All right, fuck all that. All right, what are we dealing with here? Sorry, guys. What are we doing? Controversial, blah 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 blah. Arbitrage now maturing market. However, Eric is Trudeau. All right. Who should be noted was one of the... Wait, we already read this. They're nearing the price, right? We're maturing the market, right? Maturing the price, all right. So, for its part, Huobi tries to make sure all users compete on a level playing field. Anyway, that's stupid. Just strike that. That was a bunch of bullshit. Now, this is the other thing, protecting the retail investors, you and me. Still, other exchanges contacted by CoinDesk made a point of saying they don't do anything special for algo traders, the high frequency traders. A smaller exchange tailored to institutional clients, LGO Markets, which launched early this year, took the opposite approach, deliberately slowing the trading process for everyone, according to CEO Hugo Renaudin. And you see, so that's a different kind of thing in that they're slowing it down so that the high frequency guys can't beat me and you. I mean, whatever you think about that. Like, look, I don't trade like that, so I don't really care about the high frequency guys, but, you know, those are good for, if you're a scalper, all right, the high frequency guys can't get in because a scalper makes tiny little trades, right? Nah, dude, if I traded this market, which I don't, but if I was, I'm a swing trader, so I make big moves. So I don't really give a fuck about these high frequency guys, but if you're a scalper who's just making little tiny little trades every 5 minutes, 10 minutes, you can't beat those high frequency guys. And so you go to a shit like this where LGO Markets where, they put you on a level playing field with those guys. All right. And then Kraken is doing the same thing. We're not going to let the high frequency traders do their stuff on our stuff. What do we got? Binance, what are they saying? Is not considering offer co-location. Account manager told of a recent lead, or is not considering offer co-location. Okay. So Binance is not going to let them co-locate. That's kind of a bummer if you are a high frequency trader. I'd want to co-locate by Binance, actually. So too soon. Still, others said that the crypto market hasn't caught up with the traditional financial world to the point where offering co-location services to HFT firms would make much sense. Currently, the crypto market structure is still developing. Exactly, we're right in the beginnings of it. HFT in the context of equity and FX markets, Forex markets, that's what I am, a Forex trader, does not really exist, said Wilfred Day, head of financial markets. Blah, blah, blah. Traders coming into crypto from the traditional market do ask for co-location, he said, but the ask is one-off, not a popular ask in crypto. Okay. David Weisberger, co-founder and CEO of market data platform CoinRoutes, has another reason to be skeptical about HFT in crypto. This market is so much more dispersed and volatile that what works with stocks just won't work with Bitcoin. It will eventually. The concept of but I understand what he's trying to say. But arbitrage, bitch, you can't stop that. So the concept of high frequency trading front running is irrelevant in crypto. Well, exactly. I mean, front running, that's a whole bunch of shit. In future equities, with relatively large minimum quotes variations, the bid-offer spread is often stable with a lot of bids and offers at the same price. In that circumstance, the fastest gets to be at the front of the queue whenever the price changes. Those orders at the front of the queue are profitable, while the ones at the back are not. In crypto, the tick size, and that's every second, price variation is so small, it is easy to be first by paying a slightly higher amount, so no need for incredible speed. So he's saying that the high frequency traders, it's not necessary for the speed part. I disagree. All right, I'll just put it at that. I don't want to get into the whole bullshit he just said. Plus, crypto exchanges are so scattered around the world that there's no point in being co-located to one exchange and still having to wait seconds for Binance to update. You have a point there. I mean, that's the beauty. Like the stock market, all right, I collate. If I'm a NASDAQ trader, well, I co-locate by NASDAQ. If I'm a New York Stock Exchange trader, all right, well, I co-locate by the New York Stock Exchange. If I'm a FTSE trader, okay, in France, I co-locate by the FTSE Stock Exchange's servers. This is a global market, and so, yeah, well, where are you going to co-locate? it's kind of like Forex, but there is co-location in Forex. So I'm going to disagree a little bit with the guy, but a lot with the guy, but he's right there. It's not a big thing in this crypto thing, I don't think. Not yet. The reason that there's demand for co-location at crypto exchanges, he concluded, is simply human nature. People always fight the last war. People do what they are used to. So what he's trying to say there is that, well, these high frequency traders are just doing what they do with the crypto market, but it's not going to help them. I disagree. I think it's going to help them. And and we'll see, but their algorithms are set to proper markets, not to this shit. And so we'll see. Bang! Now let's look at Coinbase. And I've been talking a long time. Coinbase in talks with insurance broker Aon to launch its own insurance company. Now, I know insurance ain't sexy. It ain't sexy. But look, guys, that's what's necessary. If you want, $20 billion hedge funds to come in here, yeah, they have to be insured. They're not putting $20 billion on Binance. And then it gets hacked or some shit, and they don't get their money back or something. Plus, they'd get sued and everything. Like, that's not going to go down. That's never going to go down. Yeah, they'll put their money on Fidelity. Yeah, because Fidelity's going to have fucking insurance, man. Fidelity's going to be rock solid. Yes. They'll put their money on Backed. Yeah. They're going to have insurance and everything. But Coinbase is stepping up to the plate. And now, fuck, it looks like they don't even want to just have insurance. They're going to launch their own insurance company. So, that's interesting. I've never even heard of something like that. A financial institution launching their own insurance company. But it's a good thing. Because, all right, you have an insurance company. All right, well, now big dogs will feel more comfortable coming in. Well, as long as they get my money back, all right, we'll fuck with you. You know what I mean? As long as you have insurance. What happens is there's a crypto site. It gets hacked. And then you just have to hope that the crypto people give you back your money. Yeah, well, when it's insured, there's no hope. Yeah, you just get your money back. And so you'll feel safe about that. You'll feel safe about that. Wait a minute. Look at Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on around here. 11,559. What do we got? All right. Let's go down there. Bang. Still some sales. Look. All right, guys. Let's look. Coinbase is in talks with the world's, oh my gosh, and that's why I brought it up. Because it's the world's largest insurance broker, Aon, to launch its own captive insurance company. Captive insurance subsidiaries are a way of reducing costs in case of any theft or hack attacks. Exactly, you're covered. These form of insurances are quite common in traditional markets. That's why, these guys are going to be familiar with it. Oh, you got that? Oh, great. Nearly all of the Fortune 500 firms, along with hundreds of mid-sized firms, maintain a form of the captive to help them cope up in case of an unfortunate event. To help them cope with an unfortunate event, I think is what that's trying to say. However, the same is not the case in the decentralized space. And many crypto exchanges like Kraken and Huobi only reserve a portion of the coins as an emergency. And I'll read this and to help them cope with adverse situations like a hack. The problem with this kind of reserve is that the firm might get tempted to use it for any situation that falls upon them first. Take the recent case of Bitfinex. They used their Tether reserve worth $800 million to manipulate their yearly losses. Exactly, and that's why these guys are gonna fuck around. These institutional guys are gonna fuck around. They want insurance. Insurance. Oh, don't worry, dog. If you lose your money, we'll just give you from our reserve. They're not trying to hear all that. Fuck all that. We want insurance, son. That's how it's going down. That's what happened, right? Bitfinex screwed up. Yeah, and then they used all those tethers, right, to cover their losses, to pretend like they didn't lose any money. They got slaughtered. $800 million. That's $750 million. Yo, these boys ain't going to fuck around with all that. They're not doing all that. So, well, I'm not going to risk that would happen to them, I guess is the better way to say it. So, Coinbase and Aon see this structure, a regulated captive insurance firm for the crypto space, as an answer to the shortage of insurance services available to crypto exchanges. With independent captive insurance, the funds are held in a regulated and audited system, which the firm can then use to attain more cover through insurance market. Exactly. So they don't get to just fool around with the money. It's held over there for real. And yeah, good to go. So looking at the number of increasing hack attacks and theft on crypto exchanges, the need for captive insurance for these firms have become a necessity, especially to ensure a sense of security among investors and customers. These guys aren't coming if they're not secure. Aon revealed that a handful of crypto firms have shown interest in captive insurances. The insurance broker firm has already set a crypto captive earlier this year for an unnamed client in Cayman Islands. All right. So the Cayman Island-based, we're going to get all into it. The Cayman Island-based captive would write crime policies. What? The Cayman Island-based captive would write crime policies for crypto firms, mostly focused towards hack of hot online wallets as well as cold storage wallets. Oh, my bad. All right. The policies, yeah. In other words, they cover the hot online wallets and the cold storage. All right, my bad. All right, sorry. The firm also confirmed that leading U.S. onshore domiciles, as well as Bermuda, might follow on the path of Cayman Island. I told you about Bermuda. Bermuda's right over here. Yeah. Wait, where am I? Yeah. Bermuda's right over there. Right over there. Jacqueline Quintal, a managing director of the financial, I told you about Bermuda, Jamaica, Trinidad. They're all trying to be financial hubs. They're all getting in there. Jacqueline Quintal, a managing director of the financial institutions practice leader at Aon, said there's a lack of capacity and some are uncomfortable with what is available in the marketplace and are looking to alternative solutions. Exactly. If I'm a $1 billion hedge fund, you can't insure me. Well, I'm not going to play. I'm not going to play here. I make $1 billion over there where it's all insured. I'll go play over there. I think the path for most will be to buy some amount of traditional insurance first and then to explore alternative structures, potentially including a captive. And we are having more and more of these conversations. All right, fuck how the captive works. Blah, blah, blah. It's just insurance, man. Holy, we don't need to know. This is getting crazy. The issues with... All right. Fuck, I got to read all this. Look, crypto exchanges have asked any form of insurance. I love reading it for you, brothers. Favorite time of my day. Don't worry about it. But it's just like, damn. Crypto exchanges, in absence of any form of insurance, rely on self-insurance to help them cope. Why is this up part? To cope in case of any unfortunate event or hack or theft. The problem with insuring crypto exchanges comes at a hefty price. And this expensive nature prohibits many mainstream insurance firms to provide them with the necessary safety net to fall back upon a time of crisis. Yeah, they don't want to insure these crypto exchanges. Hey, you guys are getting hacked and everything. Suck. So, these crypto exchanges just lock away a certain amount of funds in cold storage for the difficult times. Kraken, a San Francisco-based crypto exchange, has been quite vocal about its self-insurance policy. The firm has put away almost $100 million worth of Bitcoin in cold storage as a security fund. They're hoping that they just don't get hacked for more than that. Similarly, Huobi put aside almost 20,000 Bitcoin as insurance funds, which they call the Huobi Security Service or Reserve. That's what they say. If you had our protection fund, blah, blah, blah. All right, fuck all this. Holy, look at all this. Anyways, guys. All right, let's just start here. Oh. Wait. Fuck. Look, man. So there's Powell also, this is the CEO of Kraken, that in lieu of self-insulating, many of these crypto exchanges incur heavy losses in the process. He went on to explain, I think everybody basically has these funds on their balance sheets and they are investing them or dipping into them for operations. So what he's trying to say is, yeah, you're supposed to have that money set aside for any hacks. And he's saying that, nah, these guys that was the Bitfinex Tether thing, right? Nobody, as far as I know, has provided some sort of audit or an explicit statement about how these funds are segregated and kept in a different entity as if it were really like a third-party insurance provider. And that's what he's saying is, your exchange has, you don't have insurance, fine. But you have to keep that shit separate from you, in custody, away from you, so that you can't just go spend it. And that will make people feel safe. Look, if you don't have insurance, that's fine. But if you have enough money to cover losses and you keep it in a third-party thing where you can't just go spend the money or just play with it, but no, that's there for losses, then I'll feel safe. Other than that, nah, dog. So if you do that, it would be as if it were really like a third-party insurance provider, right? Like, fine. We'll let you take your own money, but put it third-party. Put it third-party or you're just fucking around, all right? Wow, not fucking around, but you're scaring everybody. Oh, man, what the hell are we doing here, man? How much more? So, blah, blah, blah. Coolby and Kraken did the same thing. So, some of the major players in the insurance space have also suggested that instead of forming individual captive insurance companies, space must look for pooling various disaster funds together and put them in a system of reinsurance. Powell seems to agree with the idea of pooling captive funds together and said, now this is kind of an interesting concept. You could conceivably do a group insurance deal among the exchanges, like a cooperative kind of thing. But then you have to have your competitors audit everything, and I think everyone's too smart for that and too paranoid. So what he's trying to say there is these crypto exchanges, they don't have enough money to self-insure, but if you all put money in together, then if one of you gets hacked, bang, all right, you're covered. And then you're covered, right? But he says they're a little too paranoid. Well, yeah, that's how it's going to go down, brothers. So this would be interesting to see whether Aon goes on with the idea of creating an individual captive insurance firm for everyone looking for insurance security. Or they move toward the idea of pooling these security funds of various exchanges and use it in a reassurance market to generate more capital. However, neither Coinbase nor Aon has confirmed or commented on the news doing the rounds. All right, bang. So that's the key, brothers. That's the key. You got to have insurance, and that's the way it happens. I know talking about insurance ain't sexy. There's a bunch of bullshit. I know you don't like it, but look, that's what matters, man. These guys need to know that their funds are safe. Their funds are safe. If I put my clients, if I'm a hedge fund, and I put my $1 billion worth of clients' funds on your exchange, all right, fuckstick. I need to know if you get hacked and my shit gets stolen, I get that money back from my people. Yes. And that's what insurance is that's what it is, man. Insurance, man. I mean, you get your money back. You get your money back. So, you know what I mean? Like, you got to have it. And so that's why it's so important. I know it ain't sexy, guys, but look, that's how it goes, brothers. We got to talk about all the markets. So let's get shout outs. Bang. Look. Bang. Yes. What do we got? Biniam. CB Newswire, crypto exchange, Binance, largest margin trading. Yes, they did. Let's give them a bang. Love you, brother. Moon landing. Bang. Love you, brother. Oh, and look at this motherfucker here. Yes. Fucking, where's his name? Oh, that's not it. Where is it? We'll find it. Look. Son of a bitch. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Look. Bang. Love you, Ron Kaz. Oh, you know Ronkus is buying those dips like a motherfucker. And we were laughing our asses off in there. Look. Better buy those dips, boy. All right. Look. DP Entertainment. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Dino. Bang. Giant Commit. See you, brother. Love you, brother. Bang. We got here. Rightster. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bang. Sweetie. Bang. Stallion. Haha. With the big old afro. Look at that shit. Settle down, girl. Settle down. Bang. All right. Sucking afro. She's like a black power chick or something. Settle down. We're all just people. What do we got? Hong Kong fund, cryptocurrency and blockchain service company. It's going public in the U.S. Bang. All right. Yes. Dino brings some news. What else we got? Oh, that's right. I was going to do something today, but then I was like, fuck all that because I want to talk to you guys about money. A lot of companies came out with their... So first of all, let me read it. Samsung releases the Blockcoin and D-App development kit. So the SDK. So Samsung released an SDK. Tron released an SDK. Ethereum released an SDK this week. So software development kit. SDK is a software development kit. So if you're a computer programmer, the programmer takes the SDK and he knows what it all means. And bang, he can use it to build stuff on whatever your stuff is. Yeah, there are a bunch of... Oh, what happened to that? There are a bunch of SDKs released. But I didn't do that, so... Look! Cadence! What do we got? Alternative investment opportunities for all. Bye! Look! Ooh! See you, brother. Matteo Nosa. Full stack web developer. Yes, full stack. Interested in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Yes. Silks. Oh, skills. PHP, HTML, CSS. He's all in there. Yes, he's writing that stack to the memory. Yes, getting all into that memory stack. Yes, yes, brother. I remember those days. Bang! See you, brother. Ha ha. Yes. If you don't understand, don't worry about it. No big deal. Dark Horse Rider. Bang! Aussie Digital Dollar. Bang! See you, brother. Where is everybody? What the fuck's going on around here? Martin. Seth. What's this guy talking about? Crypto and blockchain enthusiast. Marketing manager. AutoCAD blockchain finance. Export fan. Oh, esport fan. My bad. I was like, what? Export? Yes, I love exports too, but wouldn't call it a fan. Ethereum fan. Look, look. Bang. See you, brother. Where's everybody? Oh, there they are. All right, there's the usual suspects. Let's get it over with. Yo, my brother from Asia. Bang, see you, brother. Wish I could pronounce that. Hurricane Master. Bang, see you, brother. All right, that's enough, man. Fuck it. Look, let's get back to Wives Live. Bang, look. Look. So we had a great show for you today, naturally. So look, BitTorrent speed software. Unleashed by Tron. That's how they're doing it. They're going to unleash it on you. Look. You want to make that money? Passive income. That's what not Justin Sun. Our boy, Justin Williams, the darkness. That's what he told about us last year he told us about. Passive income, brothers. Look. You want some passive income? Just go download a whole bunch of bullshit. Get yourself a few of those hard drives I just showed you. Right, this kind of shit right here, right? I don't know, it's got a terabyte or 2 or 5 in it. Yeah, just load it up with a bunch of shit you know that people want to watch. Yeah, I'll just put it on the BitTorrent thing. Seed yourself some torrents. Yes. And just earn yourself some cash. Passive income. You don't got to do fuck all. Take all your shitty little computers and just fucking put them on your network here and have at it. Just seed. Make money. Easy money. I mean, it couldn't be easier. You don't have to do anything. Just download the crap and have it available for people to download. So look, Tron lovers. Look. Passive income hodlers. Havers. Yes. Bang. Good for you. Now, high frequency traders. So I want to bring that to you. Those are the guys that arbitrage like crazy. And they're coming in this market, which is good. That's major volume. Major volume, motherfuckers. I showed you that. The guy makes 800,000 trades a day. Yeah, that's volume like a motherfucker. But we don't really care about the volume. We care about the liquidity. And the total market cap. So those guys provide liquidity. because they're arbitraging from one exchange to another, yes, they create price discovery, and it's good for us. Yes. So, bang. And then Coinbase going to launch insurance. Yeah, guys, these guys are going to come here. Yeah, well, if your little crypto exchange, your little bullshit gets hacked and people steal my shit, you know, where's my money, dog? They're not going to trust any, yeah, like Mt. Gox. They're not going to be sitting here fighting for 10 years in court for their money back. They need their money now. And so you got to have insurance. And the fact that Coinbase is launching insurance, yes, that's a very good thing. Very good thing. And, yeah, it's just good for the market. Going to bring in more whales, more big institutional investors. Bring us our money. Bang, make us our money. And stuff like that. So look, let's chill it and kill it. And let's get you back to your wives and lives. Bang, subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do this show. Look, it's the favorite time of my day. I love talking money, love talking crypto. Favorite time of my day. Look, my name's Shamar Clark. I'm always on duty. Look, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Yes. And remember this. Buy those dips. Buy the dips. Those are retraces. Buy those dips. All right. You've been warned. Bang. See you tomorrow, brothers. Love you. Always on duty. At your service. Yes, I am. Over and out.